Chitty's eating from the big bowl of lettuce. Oh yeah, big bowl of lettuce. And the giant snowman over there. Oh, Chitty, you're eating a big bowl of lettuce, aren't you, Bunny? Yeah, see, giant snowman over there. Oh, but Chitty, look at you, eating a big bowl of lettuce. She doesn't have to eat it all at once, obviously. She can take her time. That lettuce can last a long time, so that's good. Like the lettuce is the end part, you know? The end part of the lettuce. The core. Romaine lettuce. Right, Chitty? So nice. Romaine lettuce for you. Whoa, Chitty. Oh, Chitty, you repositioned it to, like, get an easier reach. Oh, that's smart. Yeah, Chitty got the core. Chitty Bunny got the core. Oh, but you have a little bit of lettuce left in that bowl. Yeah, some romaine lettuce. Ooh, yum. Right, Chitty? Tasty romaine lettuce. So tasty. Ooh, crunchy. Oh, Chitty, look at you. Look at you, Chitty, eating that romaine lettuce. Click. Ah, look at you. Eating the long romaine lettuce core. Oh. Ooh. Careful, Chitty, careful.